Sure, it's
Yeah, we see. We work with this, no problem. It's more for the most of the time if you put a problem for the
over there, yeah.
over there. Okay. I'll do some. Let me see. I'm start from the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a good flexibility at least. Some people can't do that, you know.
Yeah.
Can't do that. Yeah, we're lucky. We're lucky man. Some people
Well,
they go.
Well, you see, my left hand is fucked up a bit.
What happened there?
It's jumping, I show you. You see, like, but nothing I can do.
Nothing. I have the same one, but small. I can. It's
Just a little crack.
click. The same, but I can hear your problem. Not all right. Let's go start in the business. Lawyer, yeah. Stay there.
Wow.
Don't worry.
No, I'm not.
So, it's okay. So good. There you go. Different body, completely different. Some people think they big, but your flexibility is amazing.
Is it? That's a good thing, yeah?
That's very good, man. It's just for a big boy you are.
Well, I was much bigger, you know, so that's why maybe I'm getting flexible now.
Okay, all right. Where the girls are? In the gym?
In a holiday.
Oh, they're holidays.
Yeah.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Face down.
In the boat in a holiday, lucky them.
How many? Yeah, the girls. I was thinking how they make it, you know, the girls. They don't pay much bills. I thought these girls own the place here.
I only came like 2 weeks ago or something. 2-3 weeks ago. I moved from Waterford.
Oh, okay. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh,
Sorry, man.
it's my god, it's so good. I'm so happy.
Nice. Sorry. Relax. No. Yeah. Okay. Put your face down. Fellow with pigs.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Like,
you need that, huh?
I love them, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
You feel brand new back.
I'm fucking feeling like a father. I'm so light now. Oh, Jesus.
Feel all the movement.
Yeah.
That's nice one. That's nice one. You feel brand new, man.
Hey.
Now do me a favor. Take out the shirt.
Yeah.
Take out the shirt.
Oh, Jesus Christ, how good is that?
Wait 1 second. Take out. Yeah. Face down. Face down.
Jesus.
No, Jesus is not here today. It's only me.
Only you, what? You're making miracles. Swear to God. That's the first time I'm doing this.
Really?
Yeah. Very first time ever.
No way. You man, you can have experience. You can have a good sleep today.
Oh, definitely.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Just to my side. One side. Yeah.
And like that?
Yeah, come closer. Okay, stay over here. Stay over here. That's it, perfect. Hold the elbow. Okay? Then from here. And I'm gonna cross my hands over. Okay, sit. Down, okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you're not gonna fall down. Good. You go. Now side.
You said the same,
Yeah, yeah. Probably I need a new bed, man. This is the break.
Well, I still 100 kilo.
I broke last 2 weeks ago one. You know,
Yeah.
this is nearly. Okay. No, it's not right. Face up. Stay with it.
Face up, yeah?
Right down, yeah.
Oh, jeez. I feel taller now.
Oh wait. Hey, nice. Hey. So we are. Hold it. Hold
No, should I hold it right
yeah,
now?
yeah, hold it. I will control it. That's perfect.
Oh, nice one. Oh my god, every single crack I feel better.
Hey, hold it. Yep. Nice. Stay where you are. Do me a favor.
Yes?
Do me a hand. Give me a hand. Stand up like this and stay where you are. 1 second. I put that. Yeah, lie down. Yeah, that's perfect. Stay where you are. Let's go do the business here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Just gonna stretch, okay?
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Oh my. I don't even think I have that many bones in myself. Jesus Christ, you take the whole
Spine. Oh wow.
the whole weight from my body is gone like boom.
It's good, it's good. You know,
Well,
Gensi give you the right number, that's.
yes, he showed me a video, you know?
Yeah,
And I was like, Jesus, I want to do that. Definitely want to do that.
Show the video to Gensi now. Look at this. Stay here, stay here. Nice one. Nice one. You think it's so many.
I'm so happy, like I couldn't do anything better today.
Yeah. Give me a hand. Okay, stand up. Sit down. Sit down over there. Put your hands both. The elbow, push it back hard. Hard. Back. Push back. Back. Okay. Relax.
I see that online. That's okay. I keep seeing them on YouTube and I was like, how the heck can I crack my ear? But that's,
Ah, yeah.
I'm gonna be your best customer very often.
Come sit here. Sit down. Line. Put your hand. Leave it that. No, leave it down. Leave it. That's it. Okay. This one. Got your hand? Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't crack anymore. I'm
No, I know. Just touch. Put your hands again. Yeah.
it's okay.
Nice. Stand up.
Fucking brand new back. It's brand new.
Yeah.
It's like someone replaced it. Like even my posture, it's
Of course. We stay there now.
adjusted.
Yeah, again, see.
Much better.
Brand new guy.
I'm a fucking different guy now.
Yeah. For the new experience,
Thanks
first time.
Thanks for
That's
that.
good, that's good.
Keep
I'll-
going.